Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find deleted games on your Nintendo Switch. So if you deleted something off the home screen here and you want to go ahead and play it, well, we want to go on over to where it says All Software. Just scroll all the way to the right and go to All Software. Select that. Then we can see all the games on our Nintendo Switch that are installed. But if we want to go ahead and get something that's deleted, we need to go down to where it says Re-download Software. And this will bring us to our account page. Select the account, and then we can find everything that we ever purchased through the Nintendo eShop. So it says re-download. Let's go to the software now and we can download it again. So maybe like Warframe or something. That's a fun little game. Just go to the little cloud icon and you can download it back to it. So let's find a small game so I don't take up a lot of space. So maybe like Super Mario Brothers. Go to the cloud icon and it says it started downloading. Then we go back to the home screen and you can see the download progress of the game. Download options. So I can select this, download this first, or I can cancel the download. So I'm going to go to this. Well, that's how you can find your deleted games on your Nintendo Switch and re-download them real quick. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.